You can now attend a court hearing remotely using the Zoom video conferencing platform. A remote hearing is still a court appearance, and you should act and dress as though you are physically appearing in a courtroom in front of a judge. This video will explain how to attend a remote hearing using Zoom on a laptop or desktop computer. To attend court remotely, you will need a computer that has a working camera and microphone and that is either plugged in or charged. You will also need a stable internet connection, and you will need to know the Zoom login information for your courtroom, such as the meeting ID and password or the link to the Zoom meeting. Each courtroom has different Zoom login information. You can find the unique Zoom meeting ID and password or Zoom meeting link for your courtroom on your local court's website, on your court papers, or by contacting your local circuit clerk's office. If you do not have a computer, you can attend court using Zoom on your iPhone or Android phone. Please see our other how-to videos for more information. If you do not have a computer, iPhone, or Android phone, or your internet connection is not stable, you can call into the meeting using any phone. You will still need the Zoom meeting ID and password, as well as the call-in number provided by the court. If you call into the meeting, the judge and other participants will be able to hear but not see you, and you will be able to hear but not see the judge and the other participants. If you have questions, please contact your local court or circuit clerk's office for more information. There are two ways to attend a remote hearing using Zoom if you have a working computer and stable internet. The first option is to download the Zoom app, and the second option is to use your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. For the first option, you will need to download the Zoom app on your computer at least one day before your scheduled hearing date so you can test out your device and equipment. To download the Zoom app, open up your internet browser and type www.zoom.us/download in the search bar and hit enter. Once on the site, click Download under Zoom Client for Meetings to start downloading the Zoom app for free. Zoom will give you the option to create an account or to sign in, but you do not need an account or to be signed in to use Zoom to attend a remote hearing. Once you have downloaded Zoom onto your computer, you can open the Zoom app from your desktop and choose Join a Meeting. Then enter the meeting ID for your courtroom. Where Zoom asks for a name, enter your first and last name, case number, or follow any specific instructions from the court on how to name yourself. If you do not enter your name in an identifiable way, the judge may not know who you are and may not let you into the meeting. After entering the meeting ID and your full name or case number, click the blue Join button. Next, enter the password and click the blue Join button again. At this point, you may automatically enter the virtual courtroom, or you may be put into a virtual waiting room. If you are in the waiting room, keep the app open on your screen and the judge will let you into the meeting when they are ready. If the court emailed you a Zoom meeting link or lists Zoom meeting links on its website, you can open your email or web browser and click on the link instead of opening the app and entering the meeting ID. For this option, you still need to download the Zoom app to use a Zoom meeting link. The link will automatically open the meeting in the Zoom app. If asked, choose Open in Zoom. Keep the app open on the virtual courtroom or virtual waiting room screen. For the second option, you don't need to download the Zoom app. You can simply open your web browser and type in www.zoom.us/join, enter the meeting ID, and click the blue Join button. Once Zoom has launched in your web browser, you will click the blue link labeled Join from your browser near the bottom of your screen. This link will appear below the blue Launch Meeting button. If you do not see this option, you may need to download the Zoom app. A pop-up may say Zoom wants to use your camera and microphone. Choose Allow in the pop-up. Enter your first and last name, case number, or follow any specific instructions from the court on how to name yourself and click the blue Join button. Next, if you are asked, enter the password and click the blue Join button again. At this point, you may automatically enter the virtual courtroom or you may be put into a virtual waiting room. If you are in the waiting room, keep the web browser window open on your screen and the judge will let you into the meeting when they are ready. If the court emailed you a Zoom meeting link or lists Zoom meeting links on its website, you can attend your remote hearing by clicking the unique Zoom meeting link and choosing either the blue Launch Meeting button to open the Zoom app as shown in option 1, or the blue Join from your browser button near the bottom of your screen to open Zoom in your web browser as shown in option 2. Once the judge lets you into the meeting, a pop-up may ask you to connect your video. Choose the blue Join with Video button so the judge can see your face. Another pop-up may ask you to connect your audio. Choose Join Audio by Computer so the judge can hear you. If this pop-up does not appear or you can't hear the judge, click the headphones icon at the bottom of your screen to join audio and then choose Join Audio by Computer. If you did not connect your video before, click Start Video Now next to Join Audio to start video. If the Zoom app automatically assigned you a name, you can change it once you are in the meeting. You will click on the participant's icon, select More next to your name, choose Rename, and then enter your full name or case number. Choose Rename again and click on the participant's icon to return to the meeting. You are now in the virtual courtroom, either on the Zoom app or in your web browser. Stay muted until the judge calls your case. When the judge does call your case, click the microphone icon to unmute yourself. If there is a red line through the microphone, you are muted. And remember, make sure you join the Zoom meeting 15 minutes before your scheduled time and that you are in the correct courtroom. Once you join the meeting, do not leave until the judge dismisses you. You should be dressed appropriately for your hearing. Make sure your background and surroundings are appropriate. Choose a quiet place where you can remain seated to participate in the hearing. Do not join the Zoom meeting while walking, in a moving vehicle, or while driving. Make sure to put your cell phone on silent if you are not using it to attend the hearing. Remain on mute until it is your turn to speak. Do not speak over anyone and do not interrupt anyone. Use appropriate language for a courtroom. There may be a language interpreter or a court reporter present in your remote hearing. Be aware that they may interrupt from time to time to ask you to repeat yourself or to ask clarifying questions. If you need an interpreter for your hearing, you can tell the judge, "I need an interpreter," when your case is called. The chat feature may be available and the judge or your lawyer may use it to communicate with you. However, make sure you do not use it to share any private information. Lastly, you are not allowed to record the remote hearing in any way, including video and audio recording and taking photographs and screenshots. Congratulations, you are now ready to attend a remote hearing from your computer using Zoom.